Hi, this is Bracher from Real Estate HQ. This video I'm going to talk about air conditioning at your investment property. I'm not giving you legal advice, but I hope that the information that I provide for you in this video, being of a general nature, will provide you with some guidance on what you can and you can't do and what you should and you shouldn't do in relation to air conditioning units inside your investment property. The first part, the air conditioning unit itself, if you have advertised it as a property for rent with an air conditioning unit, then at the start of the tenancy, you need to ensure that it is clean and in good working order. And during the tenancy, you need to ensure that it remains in good working order. Alright, so the tenant's responsibility on the other side in relation to your air conditioning unit is that when they receive the unit at the start of the tenancy, if it was clean and in good working order, then they have an obligation to ensure they do not use the air conditioner in a negligent manner that may cause or result in damages to the unit itself. And during the tenancy under section 188 subsection 2, they must ensure that the unit remains clean, having regard for the condition at the start of the tenancy. And furthermore, when they do vacate under section 188 subsection 4, they need to return your unit to you clean and in working order, having regard for the condition at the start of the tenancy. So even if it still works, as long as they haven't damaged the front cover or the vanes, it is compliant with their obligations under that particular legislation. Now, during the tenancy, what are your obligations in relation to the maintenance and repair? 185 states that it is you, the property owner's responsibility for any maintenance and repair. But what can occur is if the tenants have done something to that unit that has caused the fault to occur, then you may have rights under 362 to say that an act of the tenant resulted in you being financially at a disadvantage. So you can negotiate that, but you will be relying on evidence, especially from your air conditioning technician on the report, stating what is the cause of it. If it says that it has been a result of general wear and tear or redundancy, then it is not the tenant's responsibility. But if it states that certain elements were broken as a result of tampering from the tenants, then that is the only time that you will have recourse. Moving on, deep cleaning of air conditioning. Whose responsibility is it? Well, in order to deep clean an air conditioning unit, you need to pull it apart. And if you pull it apart, then you will have wires exposed. And if you have wires exposed, that completely eliminates the tenants from having any obligation, right? The other thing is you do not want tenants touching your air conditioning unit, aside from opening the flap, cleaning the filters, and wiping down the actual unit in its surrounds. We live in Queensland. Our wet season has high humidity and creates conducive conditions for mold spores to grow inside units. Therefore, you should get that cleaned once a year at least. All right, and if you have tenants that are more mindful of it and you have a good relationship with your tenants, then they can let you know. So you can say to them, look, I will agree with a clean, but let me know when you want it done, and let them determine it for you. And they can also organize it, but you can pay the invoice and or reimburse them. That's how the good relationships occur, and it occurs, once a year. Otherwise, you should get it done, and when you get it done, is contingent on what you're comfortable with. Should you do it twice a year? Totally up to you, but I think once a year is sufficient. At least you're able to show that you are maintaining your unit, and in all honesty, that's just good long-term maintenance for your air conditioning unit. I hope this video has been helpful to you, and I look forward to seeing you in the future.